All right, welcome back. So we continue from where we ended. So in our previous lesson, we were looking at the simplification of algebraic expression. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to focus on the expansion. Okay, we are going to see how we are going to expand, how to expand algebraic expressions. Okay, so now, let's see, let us look at the examples that we have on the board. So expand each of the following. Okay, so we have 3 questions here. Okay, now when you have an expression like this one, okay, 2, okay, 2x2 x, I mean 2 a plus b. Okay, this is our question, and we are told to expand this question. What it means that we are supposed to multiply this term outside the brackets by each term inside the brackets. So this 2, we are going to multiply it by a, and again we are going to multiply it by b there. Okay, that is what it means to expand an algebraic expression. Our goal is to get rid of these brackets, and we get rid of these brackets by multiplying this term outside the brackets by everything inside the brackets. Okay, so let's see how we can expand these questions. So our first question is 2a plus b. Okay, let us expand this. So like I said, to expand this, you have to multiply the number outside the brackets by by each of the terms inside the brackets. So we are going to say 2 times a, this gives us 2a, okay, plus, okay, 2 times b, this gives us 2b. Okay, so now we are there. Okay, so let's look at the terms that we have there. So this expression has 2 terms, and if we look at the 2 terms, they are not like terms. And remember, we said that unlike terms cannot be simplified. So here you have a, there you have b. So these are not the same. Therefore, we cannot simplify them, and this is our answer. Okay, so our answer is 2a plus 2b. Okay, I hope it is clear there. Let's move on to question 2. So you have 5, okay, inside the brackets you have 2a, 2x plus 1. Okay, so what it means here, when you have something like that, okay, this means 5, this means 5 times, okay, 2x plus 1. That is what it means here. Okay, this 5 is multiplying by each of the terms inside the brackets there. That is what it means. So we are going to expand by multiplying this 5 by each of the terms inside there. So we are going to say 5 times 2x. This gives us 10x plus, okay, 5 times 1. This gives us 5. And this is our final answer, because we cannot further simplify that one, because these are not like terms. Okay, I hope it is also clear there. Now, let's move on to question 3. And that is where I want you to pay attention, because this is now something which is a bit tricky. Okay, we have a question where we have double brackets there. How are we supposed to expand this question? Okay, we have double brackets there. So now, to expand this, okay, to expand this expression, we are going to multiply each term in the first bracket by each of the terms in the second brackets. Okay, what I'm saying is that this x, we are going to multiply it by x, and we are also going to multiply this x by 3 there. Okay, so we are going to say so we are going to say x, okay, we're going to say this one, x minus 3, because we want to multiply this x by everything inside the bracket, the second bracket there. So we'll write it like that, okay, plus. So this plus, we'll write it there, plus 1. because we want this one to multiply by everything inside the second bracket there, we are going to say minus 3. So now we can move on and multiply those terms there. So we're going to say x times x. This gives us x power 2. Okay. Again, we're going to say x times negative 3. This gives us negative 3x plus 1 times x. This gives us x. Okay. Then 1 times negative 3x. This gives us negative 3. Okay. That is where we are now. Now, we can now simplify these like terms. When we look at these, when we look at that expression there, we have some terms which are the same there. This term has x and that one there has x. Okay, this one is different because it has a power there. So we are going to simplify this. Okay, and we are going to say x power 2. Okay, so there this x has a coefficient of 1. Okay, so this is same as negative 3 plus 1. Okay, so in integers, you know that this one gives us negative 2. So this is going to give us negative 2, okay, x, negative 2x minus 3. Okay, so now that is our expression there. And if you look at this expression, it has 3 terms and all the 3 terms are different. So that is our answer. So that is our answer. So that is how you expand algebraic expressions. In most cases, you'll be given such kind of expressions and you are told to simplify it. So if you are given an expression which is like this one with brackets, okay, and you are told to simplify this kind of an expression, the first thing is to expand. Okay, to expand this, it means to multiply the term outside the brackets by each of the terms inside the brackets. Once you get rid of the brackets, now you can go on and simplify. Okay, simplify the like terms. You add the like terms or you subtract the like terms. Okay, so that is what I wanted us to look at today. Now, I want you to try this one. So you should try this one. You should try this one. Okay. Okay, so you should try this one. Okay. Expand. I'll say expand, expand, and simplify if possible. Expand and simplify if possible. Okay, so you have 2, okay, plus 3y minus x minus 3y. Okay, so this is the question that I want you to try. So you try to expand and simplify this. Okay, and you let me know the answer that you are going to find. Just write your answer under the comment section there. I'll be able to check your answer and then I'll be able to give you feedback. So if you are new on this platform, this is the platform where we are giving lessons to those people who want to learn mathematics. Okay, so if you are a GCE candidate, you want to write your exam this year, you are in the right place. This place you are going to get a lot of help. And if you are new on this platform, do not forget to subscribe so that every time I upload a video, you get a notification there so that we move together. Thank you very much for watching. We shall meet next time.